This video will show you how to remove the battery cover on your NVIDIA TV Shield remote. There are two versions of the Shield TV remote, one with a non-pushable triangle and one with a pushable triangle button on the back. To open the remote with a pushable triangle, this triangle is bigger and glossy. Press down the triangle button and slide the cover downwards. Once it is slightly open, you can release the button and lift the cover off. To put the cover back on, place the cover back where the triangle opening is slightly under the triangle button and slide the cover upwards. It'll click into place. To open the remote with a non-pushable triangle, this triangle is smaller and is not a button. Slide the cover downwards in the direction of the triangle. It is easier to use two hands on the top and bottom position of the cover. Once it is slightly open, you can lift the cover off. To easily close, locate the indentation on the back top of the remote. Place the top of the cover with a triangle on top, halfway between the indentation. Then slide up. And that's it.